Hey everybody, it's Kevin from 3D Printed Props, and in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a very special package that came in that is going to be for a display of a villain in one of my all-time favorite horror franchises. Okay, so if you have watched any videos on my channel, which I hope you have. If not, like and subscribe, please, and you'll be able to see all the videos you want. You know that I love horror movies. I am a horror movie buff. I watch them constantly, you know, subscription on Shudder, the whole 9 yards. So I've been, of course, doing some displays lately. I've got the Michael Myers cosplay I did, and that's being displayed. I've got Dread, which isn't technically a horror movie, but it's pretty darn violent. I've got a Megan video coming up, so I've got this little Megan display, and I decided I really want one from one of my favorite franchises, and that is Scream. And after seeing some of Cosplay Chris's videos, really got me inspired to get going on this. And of course, it can also be used as a cosplay. I'm going to a number of horror conventions this summer, and I might just be wearing this to one of them. So where did I get this? Well, after doing some research and of course watching Chris Cosplay's video, there was really only one choice for me, and that was screamrobes. Their information is in the description below, and they make the most incredible. I haven't seen mine yet, but I've seen other people's, and if he gushes about it, then you know it's really high quality. These, they make their own fabric, that little shiny stuff in there, so I'm really, really excited. And this box has got some weight to it. So, yeah, I'm gonna open it very carefully with this X-Acto so as not to damage anything, to make sure. That would be horrible, right? Cutting this thing open and actually slicing the robe. Would not like that. Okay. Oh, just right, just seeing it is incredible. Comes very nicely bagged. Wow, this has got some weight to it. And it has got all the flecks of silver woven in. Again, they make this fabric. They also have had access to the original robe from the Scream. And this is a Scream 1 robe, the 96 one. So this is from the original. You can get them for all the other different movies that they have. Wow, the fabric is super thick. It's got so much shine to it. The hood has got a nice piece of foam in here, so you can sort of mold it to what you want. And it's got a piece of like heavy duty Velcro right here that you can attach to your mask to sort of help everything hold together, which is a really nice touch. The gloves are of course built in. A lot of people don't know that. The gloves are built into the costume, but how heavy this fabric is. This isn't like something you're gonna get like a Spirit of Halloween or, you know, Walmart or something like that. This is thick fabric that just changes as you look at it in the light. It picks up all the shine and all the sparkle. It is just incredible. The tassels at the end are perfect, but I think what I gotta do now is I gotta put this thing on. Okay, so this thing fits perfectly. It is just an amazing fit. Now, if you order one of these, he'll ask you some questions just to make sure that it's gonna fit you. And then, boom, I ordered it. I got it maybe 2 weeks later, maybe 3 weeks later. These are all handmade. So it is just perfect. The fit is perfect. That is so cool. And I think this might definitely be a cosplay for one of these horror movies. Other than a hot mask, I've got shorts on under this. Very infrequently do you get to be this comfortable wearing a piece of cosplay. So I am just tickled with this thing. I cannot get over the quality and how this thing looks. So I could not be more happy with this robe, the quality of it, the whole experience of ordering one from screamrobes. Again, information is below. And the only thing I need left for this cosplay is a mask, which I'll pick up, and a knife, which I think I'm gonna model and then 3D print, so that'll be the next video maybe, and the boots. I think I am just going to wear the boots that I used for my Michael Myers cosplay. They're not, you know, screen accurate, but they're heavy, awesome work boots, and they look the part, and I think they'll do. So guys, thanks a lot for watching again. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Take it easy.